Hello, everyone. We are talking about 2024 AMC 10A problem 25. So this question, when you first read it, you may feel a little bit confusion, don't know how to really do it. But don't feel panic. Just try to do the question of your time and then give a try, okay? So let's say, so they ask you to create a closed loop. So the closed loop needs to make those cells, right? So if they have number 1 here, so they only have one stick around this small cell. Okay, so let's give a try. Say closed loop. So closed loop, let's say this could be a closed loop, right? And let's check, did they, this cell had one, everyone had one. So this actually is a good case. So let's write that one for our case 1. So we actually be able to do this loop. On that side, also we be able to do the loop simply, just either on this A side or maybe on B side. Okay, so that give us the first case for this simple loop. So I can have 2 ways to do it. 2 ways to do it, okay? Now let's explore other scenario. So we can say this, the line I can go, if I go this line, this cell is the ending point, so then I cannot place anything here, right? Same thing, if I place the sticker on this one, I cannot place anything here. So then I have to go this way. If I place the line from the, let's call this line A9, this line is B9. If I cross the AB line, so basically I have to go like that, okay? So with that, we can say in besides the 2 ending cell, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cells. For those 6 cells, actually, you can consider on the 9A, okay, on this side, you just make a simple decision. So if my stick is yes here or no here. So when the stick is yes here on A side, and also that required on B side must be no. Okay, so now let's give an example. Say on A side for those 6 cells, so maybe I put yes here. Okay, then I put no on the 3rd one. I put yes here, and I put yes here. So for this B side, if A side put yes, B side must put no. So for A side put no, B must put yes. Okay. With that, let's connect them, say what we get. Okay, so this yes, this must be no. Okay, so this yes, this must be no. So this yes, this must be no. So this actually form a nice closed loop. So that's with this analyze, we can find out for the case 2. So basically my loop included all the 8 cells continually. Okay, so with that, so the 2 ending cell is special. You don't have a way to make additional decision, so you only need to make additional decision on the middle 6 cells. So on each of the cell, let's focus on just on A. On A9, you have to decide that you place the stick or not place the stick. So that's basically 6 cell. each of them got a yes or no. So you got a 6, 2 multiply each other. So you total get 64 ways. Okay, so because you place the yes on A, B, basically no choice, must be no. Okay, so that's the case 2. Now let's looking at another case. How about if I move those ending points cross A, B line, I go like that. So I still keep here at the ending. So this turned out with the case 3, I can say is 1 plus 7 cells. Okay. But for this one, I can leave those single one on left side. I can also leave that single one on the right side. For example, like this. So that's about be 6 cells. Sorry, 6 cells, and then plus 1. Then okay, let's say because this line here, so you can this line cross here, so you have to do like that. So this line cross here, so basically here you cannot put anything, okay, and here you cannot put anything. So that's kind of you have to do something like that. So on the right side, which is good, they didn't form another loop. Okay, so the left cell in between, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 of them. So you have to do the same thing as what we did for this cell. You have to choose for line A, for line B, this line, you have to choose yes or no, right? So let's say I choose the yes here. I choose the maybe no in the middle. I choose another yes. Okay, so then B must be opposite of the A. So this will be yes here. So now we can try to say connect them. Actually, you can say here like that. So this formed just one loop here. So with that way, we know for this one, we have 5 cell, 7 cell together, 2 at the ending. So only 5 cells in the middle, we need to make that decision, yes or no. So total give you yes or no, 5, 2 power of 5. So, but however, we know this single one, I can leave it on right, and I can also leave it on left. So you have to multiply this case. So this also give you 2 power of 6 is 64 ways. Okay. Now let's looking at further, say if we can move this line both here, so that's actually work. Okay, we can check that very quickly. The same thing will work. So here you cannot do anything. So this cannot form a loop anymore. But in the middle here, so this must go like that because this occupied this already. So this must go like that. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 cell. You need to make that decision on line A and on line B. You place yes or no, right? So let's give an example. I can just make either. Easier, I place all yes. Okay, if I place all yes on A9, so I have to be no on all the B9. So that's actually give you 2 power of 4 ways. So this is 16 ways, okay? Now let's continue move this line in. So can we still work this way? So here is this, and of course we know here all those cannot place anything more. But however, for here, actually, you cannot place things here, but I can place things in this way because this is just one. So this gives you one loop if you do the same thing. So this could you give you another loop, and in the middle, actually they have this one. You don't have a choice, but the middle two, you still have choice. So you can choose yes or you can choose no. So let me just do this way. Okay. So this must be yes because here is no. Then this must be no. So you see this actually give you three loop, not just one loop. So this is not a valid case because they ask just one closed loop. So you can continue, check that again. So if you move this line further to the middle, okay? So basically, we will find out you will get multiple loop. For example, I can just do like that. Okay, so that's a loop on left side. You can do same thing, a loop on right side. Okay, so maybe I do like that. Okay, so this will not be valid. So let's say how many in total way we can have. So for case one, we got a 2-way. For case two, we got 64. For case three, we also got 64. For case four, we got 16. So let's adding all together. This 128 plus that 2 is 130 plus that 16. So is 146. So our answer will be 146. Let's see our answer here. So that will be answer C, 146. I hope this will help you understand this question better. Thank you.